In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date in Confluence. If you're new to Confluence or just looking to streamline your documentation process, adding a date to your pages is a simple yet essential task. It's a great way to ensure your content is always up to date and relevant. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you are comfortable with. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar and type in Confluence. Hit Enter, and you should see Confluence's official site as one of the top results. Go ahead and click on that link to go to their homepage. Now, if you already have an account, you can log in using your existing credentials. If you're new to Confluence, don't worry. Signing up is straightforward and free. Just look for the Sign Up option on the home page and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you're logged in, you will be greeted by the dashboard. With access to your Confluence account, decide whether you want to create a new page or edit an existing one. You can find the option to create a page typically on the left navigation bar. Click Create to start a new page, or search for an existing page that you wish to edit. This decision generally depends on your current project needs. Once you're in editing mode on a page, navigate to the spot where you would like to insert the date. This is where the magic happens. You simply need to type 2 forward slashes, which is often referred to as the quick insert function. Simply type // and watch as a drop-down menu appears. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Date and select it. This action will trigger a calendar pop-up, providing you with a visual aid to select your desired date. You can click through the months and days until you find the exact date you need. After identifying your desired date, click on it in the calendar to choose it. This action automatically populates the date into your Confluence page. It's an easy and effective way to timestamp your documents, ensuring that all information is accurately recorded. Finally, to confirm your selection and ensure that the date is properly entered into your page, check one last time and make any needed adjustments. Once satisfied, the date should appear right where you intended, readily available for anyone who views the page. That's it! You have successfully added a date to a Confluence page. This simple addition can make all the difference in organizing and managing your project documents effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.